Welcome back to my channel. Price starts at SAR 211, 140 Saudi Riyal in the Middle East market. Engine 2.4L. Turbocharged hybrid petrol plus electric producing 344 HP and 550 Nm of torque 2000 to 300 RPM. Transmission 6 speed automatic with paddle shifters. Drivetrain all-wheel drive AWD fuel efficiency 18 kmpl combined. Dimensions 4,980 mm L x 1840 mm W x 1,540 mm H wheel and tires 21-inch alloy wheels with 225 at 45 by 21 radial tubeless tires. Performance and powertrain hybrid system combines a 2.4L turbocharged petrol engine with an electric motor for enhanced power and efficiency. Torque delivery max torque available from